What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that sometimes your water bottle can be housing more bacteria than your toilet? Yes, it's true. Some studies have said that there can be a lot of bacteria hiding in your water bottle. So I'm going to be showing you how to easily clean it without scrubbing and get rid of all the bacteria and bad odors. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill up your water bottle all the way with some warm water. And here is your magic cleaner, some denture tablets. These are super cheap. You can get them at your local dollar store or Walmart or really anywhere. I got mine at Walmart and it was like $5 for 126 tablets. But these things are going to really target the bacteria and residue and all the stuff sitting in your water bottle. And it is going to get rid of those stinky odors that sometimes just sit in your water bottle and won't come out when you're just using regular soap and water. So all you have to do is toss a tablet in and let it do its magic. You want to let the tablet sit in your water bottle for about 10 minutes, which is super easy. You can do it while you're doing the dishes. Also, if you have a water bottle that has a straw or the little pieces that come off that are silicone and things like that, then go ahead and drop those in your water bottle as well, so those can get a good clean too. Then I'm just using some Dawn Power Wash to clean off the lid so that it gets nice and clean as well. After it has been 10 minutes, then go ahead and dump out your water bottle. No need for scrubbing or anything like that. The denture tablet did all of the work. I highly recommend washing the outside though, because that can collect a lot of germs too. If you guys enjoyed this tip on how to clean your water bottle, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments. That really helps out my channel. Or if there's anything you would like me to clean next, leave me some comments below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!